the ideology, how MMM works, the benefits, and the rules of MMM, and make a video and upload on the channel as well.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr.
Sunny.
Want to speak? Kindly introduce yourself. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Sonny. So, can I hear from somebody else? If you have a different view, then possibly tell is required of you. If you say about the ideology of MMM, you tell us what the ideology of MMM briefly, see how far you guys are hoping, if you are in the right track, if you have any issue that I can do, I'll be able to do that. Okay, I
My
hope we
name is
understand.
Oluwawasiu.
Please, every
When
other
we
person
talk
should
about
mute their mic.
my name is Oluwawasiu. When talking about the ideology of MMM, in my own understanding, the rules, the benefits, and how it works. Talk about the bonus as a guider, as a repairer, and all these video bonuses, the percentage you get at the end of the month. What are the things you have to do, and what are the things you should not do? You should know about the founder, how it starts, and everything.
Okay, thank you very much. That's a wonderful one, Mr. Is it Wasi or
Wasio.
Wasu? Okay, thanks. That's a very good one. So, can somebody else tell us about the ideology of MMM and the tax that you want today by it, and if you have any about it?
Hello, good evening.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Akine Olushola. The task today is just for us to understand the details of how to make use of the YouTube, the monetization, the channel, the video through the screencasts, and likewise on the last task that has to do with about the ideology of MMM, the meaning, the benefits, the rules. And the ideology is just basically what is all about, such as the meaning, the rules, the benefits, the essence, the importance of why it is necessary for anyone to be part of this the platform. So, to my best of understanding, I've been able to treat it on that platform, on the area I've just mentioned, and also giving the details of my understanding on the founder as well.
Okay.
So, mentor, sir, those are what I've done today, sir.
All right, thank you very much. That's an improvement in the system. So that's a good one. Please, if is there any other person about the ideology of MMM today, and if there is any issue? Your mic. If you don't mute your mic, get you from the class. Oluwaseun, the guy there. Please, Duru. Hello, Duru. Who is speaking? Any other person that wants to tell us on the ideology of MMM, the task for today?
Hello.
Can everyone mute their mic?
Hello.
Oluwaseun. Hello?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
I can.
please. To your mic. I will get you from the class. As soon as you join a meeting like this, kindly mute your mic. A wonderful conversation. If you want to have a good meeting on mic when you are joining a meeting like this, please let us not get distraction from the background. It is not good for us. We won't be able to learn anything in this kind of environment. Let us not forget that our meeting is on air. Whatever noise that is coming out from your background, it goes to other people that are viewing this meeting. Good for members of group 9. So if you have anything to say about today's task, you can go ahead, tell us your experience, your challenges, if any, understood by the ideology of MMM, and as well as the YouTube channels. All right, please, if you want to speak, unmute your mic. You can continue.
Okay. Oyewa Elua.
Okay, please go ahead.
Which is to provide the
If there's any other person,
financial.
seems your network is very bad. Mute your mic and
Hello.
tell us on the ideology
Please
of
speak up.
MMM,
We can hear you, so try and speak up.
your task today, your experience, difficulties,
Yeah.
and the areas you are doing very well. Kindly, before we'll touch one or two things for today.
Hello. Good evening, mentor. Hello, mentor Stephen.
Okay.
Good evening. Please, I would want you to make rules in the chat group, like in the live group, like they should try to mute their camera, like try to shut down the camera, and the sound, especially the sound, because a lot of them are in their house there where they are playing music and making all sort of noise, and it's really disturbing the rest of the. I don't know if you can do that, as like make it an obligation for every member to follow. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that observation. I have times without number I've talked about it. I'm going to make it mandatory, and I have to be. If you break my rules, meeting, and it will also have another implication on you. So all webcams should be off, switched off. Do not display your cam for the benefit of yourself. Your system, there is a kind of videoing screen. Just click on it, and it will show red coverage. Cam is switched off. So by that, your data is Olawole Yokam. From our next meeting, abide by the rules. I'm going to eject you from the class. Also have implication if you don't know on your task and some other things. Break our rules. The fact that we are very free with you should break our rules. All mics should be muted unless you want to say you are being called up on. So this task, you have the YouTube channel. Many of us, let me just enlighten you on what is required. Creating the YouTube channel is not just the task. YouTube channel, you should be able to at least 3 promotional materials. At least 3 promotional materials into your channels. Then by the time you are done with your ideology video, I expect you that ideology video in your channel. Do not just go to YouTube and upload the ideology video. It should be in your YouTube channel. Your feedback video and whatever to upload, it should be done in your YouTube channel. I don't know if we understand. So creating your YouTube channels, you must have at least materials in the channel, and your ideology video should be in the channel. Then also very important, making your ideology video, you should, as a matter of necessity, face. I said it yesterday. Your face, your write-up could be there in a slide presentation or through Google Slide or PowerPoint, but let's see your face at this edge of the video. So do not present an ideology video where you just video yourself and you tell us on the ideology of strong. So what it requires of you, for the purpose of people, because whatever ideology video you have given, it is not meant for you alone. It is meant for other people. People come online, they can just search ideology video by Mr. A, Mr. B. And if your video is not presentable enough, it means that it's done very well. So let's see a quality presentation of the video. Let's also try as much as possible professionalism in this ideology video. When I say professionalism, some persons ideology video that I have seen, ideology video, you see people moving up and down, you see noise from the background, you hear generator noise. Proper to have such in an ideology video. It is not proper. Or a situation whereby you are telling someone about the ideology of MMM, and you are having flu, you have to clean it. It's not proper. So try as much as possible to do a good ideology video, to have proper presentation. And please do not go to YouTube to copy a video, just play it for us. No, try and reasonable, something that could be presented anywhere. That is that on the ideology video. The channels, at least 3 promotional materials, then all tasks that has to do with videos, ideology, feedback, they should be in your YouTube. It should be in your YouTube channel. So that is that on the ideology video. Now, your ideology video could be made possible your Google slide uh, or PowerPoint presentation, your screencast-o-matic or screen recorder for you to record your presentation as well as the write-up that you have made. Help of the screencast-o-matic, you'll be able to do that. So it's simple, and if you follow the procedure, if you have any difficulty, just follow the procedures in the material. So you will have no problem. So that is that. Then finally, for your task, during the process of marking, if a task is not correct, if your task is not correct to you, and whenever you see that, may kindly do the necessary correction to the mail that task has been completed. Let us try as much as possible to avoid a situation whereby you go to this and you complain about my task is not yet marked. I am a female, mark my task. Let us try as much as possible. As far as MMM is concerned, there is no segregation. There is no male and a female. No, all tasks will be marked. Will be done following the rules. Okay. So, and then before we end this presentation, on day 5 and 6, the business game. Now, briefly, the business game. For the business game, you guys will be divided into circle. By circle, I mean a smaller group, which is made up of 9 persons, between 1 to 9 persons. So whichever group you fall into, members of your group. And for you to be added to a group, as soon as it is day 5, when you log in into the page, you'll see circle. You must click on join a circle for you to belong to a circle. So if you don't do that, you will have problem of not having a circle. Take note. Day 5 came, and on that day, that is when the task for the business game will be given. And for the business game, you have about 7 tasks that you are going to provide solution to, and in that in each of the group, you are going to do a presentation of the task that has been given to you. So it is more or less a practical thing. You are doing your individual task. So from from day 5, we are going to have a teamwork for the business game. So with this, I want to believe that you guys understood we have talked about. So it is simple, no problem. Most times when you come across issues, try as much as possible. You can ask a colleague, you can ask, and I will attend to it. Available. Once again, thank you for the orderliness. Now I see orderliness in this meeting in members of group 9. So let's believe that it will continue. I just talked about orderliness and somebody wants to pass permission.
Thank you, Mentor Stephen.
All right, thank you.
I'm Sunny, and what is that? You know that when you talk about the ideology on the MMM of MMM, yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Mr. Tony.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. I wanted to know because I was having problems of uploading the ideology video, and I got to find out that it wasn't really necessary, or it was stated that it's not important for too compulsory for me to do a video
Show your
which will
face.
show my face and all that. So because my device was not available at that moment, so I had to get a friend's phone to do the recording. So I was unable to put the face or of myself. I just did an audio file for MP4, and I uploaded it on my channel, and then I uploaded my link. So I wanted to know if I'm not gonna have problems with that.
Well, Mr. Sonny, here the school stated that it is not necessary to put your face. No, but as at when that material is being taken, it's been done, since we're actually going against the school rule. It's need for others, or where somebody goes to YouTube, you copy an ideology station, you just upload the link. So we want to maintain more sanity in the system that so I quite understood your
Oh my God, my
well,
meeting is out.
All right. Thank you, mentor
okay.
Stephen. Really, I, there are a lot of members that I don't know. It seems they don't really know the use of Google Hangouts as of now, even because there are some
Yeah.
are just logging in and saying things that are not really necessary for the meeting and all that. But I understand we are Nigerians. That's what most of us do. So I understand that. So I hope, but I don't know, is there any way I could upload another video maybe tomorrow morning because it's already dark, and tomorrow morning and maybe edit it
Yes,
or something?
yes, you can.
I can.
A resubmission. It will be
Oh,
attached to submission, though it will show two different link.
oh,
You can make a resubmission.
okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. That's what I wanted to know.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm
Thank you very
sorry. And
much,
another
Mr.
thing, about
So
yes, thank you. About the ideology, like the first tax, like creating a channel. You talked
yeah.
it to be different videos, or all can be on one video?
I don't get you. The ideology.
Yeah.
Ideology can just be one video. For ideology is just one. The
Okay.
back is one. But those other promotional materials, maybe how MMA, another ideology of MMA by another person, just to upload it in your channel. But
Okay.
that is not your own. Then you can get testimonies of people,
Okay.
get promotional materials from MMM websites, and put it in the channels. All of them should be in your channel. But your ideology, copyright,
Okay, sir.
Sony,
Yes, sir.
should be there.
Okay.
Should be there. Okay. So
Thank you.
thank you very much. Somebody has a question. For those of you that are not able to speak, you can use the chat area question. Now, Ayoluwa of this school, one of my answered question mark. What does it indicate? Now, most of your tasks has not been marked. That's why it's like that. The reason why I decide not to mark is because some of you for Facebook, You just uploaded your Facebook link. And if I had to mark, I'll mark most of you wrong. So, like from our meetings yesterday, I had to state it clearly that you must upload materials. If you are using your personal link, you should upload a material. If you're using a fan page that you created, you must upload promotional material. So we'll start the marking. So if you have not done every correction to your Facebook page, if you have not uploaded promotional material, you're on your own. If the task is marked wrong, a mail will be sent to you. A correction. If you are lucky, it will be marked, of which I hope you guys are. So I hope your lower could understood my response to your question. Thank you. Please, any other person, if you have any other question,
Yeah, good
kindly
evening.
unmute your mic. Yeah, good
Good
evening.
evening. Good evening, Mentor.
Good evening.
Yeah,
Kindly introduce yourself.
yeah. This is Erondo Ifeanyi Samson.
Okay, Mr. Sampson, you're welcome.
Yeah,
Ask a question.
yeah. When you were discussing about grouping us together, a group of 9. So my network was not in order then. I was kind of coming in and going out. So
Okay.
can you please help me to elaborate more on that so that I can be able to apprehend what you were saying
Okay.
then?
All right. Like I said earlier, Guidance School, it's a comprehensive one that is meant to build you and physically. Now, in MMM, there is a core concept: do not panic. Do not panic. That is why sometimes you face some tasks, you have difficulties, you are not expected to, or you be complaining, what kind of task is this, and why will the guidance school give us this kind of task? No, work. You can call a friend, you can call a colleague, ask one or two questions about it. So that is why the guidance school is built in such a way that you have individual tasks as well as a team. So the first aspect of it is your individual task, which you are doing now. Then after which we'll go to the business game. It is called business game. It is an interesting aspect of the guidance school. But you are being grouped into a smaller unit, which is called a circle. So it is made up of 1 to 9 members. And every circle would have a group leader. So the 9 of you will come together to answer a particular task that has been given to you. 7 questions. So you attend to the questions, make a write-up presentation. Particular day, you come up and you defend what you have written. It's like a seminar presentation. So just like we are using Hangout here, in your group, you make your presentation. The mentors in charge will ask you questions relating to what you have written. I don't know if you understand, Mr. Sampson.
Yes, I really get what you're saying.
Get that?
So,
You guys get it?
hello?
All right. Mr. Sampson. Mr. Sampson,
Yeah, Mentor.
you got the explanation, right?
Yes, I got the explanation. So I just want to know how are we going to be faced in the group? You were saying something
Okay.
of when you come, you need to click something of that lecture, but my network was kind of
Yes.
interrupting me.
Yes. When is day 5?
Okay.
When the business game starts. As you log in into your, like you do every day, you will see join a circle. You must click on join a circle. So some of you will be in group 9, circle 1, group 9, circle 2, circle 3, 18. Depends on the numbers of persons that we have. Click on join a circle. You'll be able to have a discussion with your circle members. Okay, so that is it. Then on that particular day, that is when the questions for, rather the task for the business game will be given.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. I so much appreciate.
Okay, you're welcome. So any other person, any other question? Any other question, observation, comment?
Okay, mentor, it's Sunny. You
Okay.
talked about a promotional material on our Facebook pages, like our Facebook user page or the main profile. So our that's in the timeline. Is it supposed to be uploaded as in like a particular promotional um stuff you did for MMM, or just anyone someone else has done before?
Anyone.
Anyone. All right, thank you,
Anyone
sir.
is okay. Yeah.
And it's not too late
Okay.
to upload it.
No. So long you have submitted your link.
Yes, sir.
If you upload now, and
Yeah.
whenever I open the link, it's already there. It will direct me to your Facebook page. So it's not too late.
All right, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello, good evening, sir. Good evening, mentor.
Good evening, Mr. Olayode. You're welcome.
Yeah, hello, dear father. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm using a phone. I don't have a laptop for my task today. So the screen recorder stuff has been very difficult for me. So I've not been able to, up to now, I'll even try after the meeting, I'll see, find something to do so that I'll be able to conclude my task for today. I've not been finding a suitable application for my Android phone. So I don't know if you have any idea of application I could use.
Hello, Olayode. It's Sunny. I think you should search for something like Vida screen recorder. That could help.
Okay. Okay.
So get a cracked version from.
Okay, I'm using an Acer phone.
It doesn't matter as long as it's an Android phone to work.
Okay, you said feeder screen recorder.
Viva, Viva, VIVA.
Okay, VIG. Okay, VIV. Okay. Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome, brother.
Please, write it on chat so that other people can follow up.
All right, I'll do that.
Well, good evening, mentor. Hello, good evening, mentor. Hello, good evening, mentor.
Hello, the mentor is not around right now. I think he's having network issues.
Okay, who can we talk to now?
I don't think it's right for anyone to talk to me because I'm just a member like you guys, and I don't think it's wise. It should be the mentor's job to answer questions.
Exactly. I want to ask the question. Maybe we have an idea. I'm doing cast videos. I'm finding it very difficult to do. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I should try to take off your screen as in your camera.
I should try to off my camera. Why?
Can you do that?
off my camera.
Yes, from the menu you will see video.
Okay. But you can't see my camera again.
Okay, go on. No.
The question I want to ask is that have you done your own screencast video? This screencast or whatever. I can't
Yes,
get it.
I've done it. I've done it. I did it since noon.
Can you put it here?
Yeah, the thing is that there was a particular one they asked us all to use. It was recommended, and you can still use another one, any other screencaster recorder to do. Like you can use VLC video player. You can use other ones, because right now I'm using a Linux system. It's not a Windows system, so I'm using a simple video screen recorder from my system. So I don't know about Windows. So what kind of system are you using?
I'm using an Android phone, iPad.
Okay, you mean an Android phone. Okay, like I'm trying to post a link to a particular software everyone can download for their Android phones on the group, so that they can use for their screencast.
Okay, I should ask for the screencast download on the group, right? Is that what you mean? I don't really understand. I'm sorry.
Yes, I'm trying to paste a link. Like I'm trying to paste a link on the group right now.
Okay.
So everyone can download the application, the file, and then use it for their screencast.
Okay, but how are we going to go about it? You know, they ask us to do one particular thing. I don't even understand what they ask us to do there. I'm finding it difficult to do.
No, but the first thing. Okay, there are videos uploaded. Once you watch the videos, you'll be able to